Hi everyone, how are you? So today, ooh, that just freaked me out for some reason. My computer's made some noise. Like someone cut me. Today we're opening up a panty subscription, Splendies. So Splendies, you get 3 pairs of panties every month, and it starts at $14.95 a month. And for your first month, there is like a pop-up on their website, or I'll put an old code that works as well. Last time I checked, for 50% off your first month. So it's $14.95 for sizes extra small to large or XL, and then for the voluptuous or like 1X through 4X, it's $16.95. And you get to customize the subscription by choosing what style you like along with your size. And just side note, a lot of people like to size up one size for Splendies. They say it's a more comfortable fit, but you can look at their sizing guidelines and stuff on their website. Just wanted to throw that out there in case that was helpful for some of you. I know a lot of you guys told me that, so thank you for your feedback. I'm like between a medium and large when I wear clothes. I get the large size, and that works well for me, if that helps at all. I don't know if it would, because you don't really see my behind much when I'm filming, but you know. So yeah, you can choose if you want a surprise variety, which is what I selected. This is sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored. Thank you, Splendies, so much. I've been loving your undies. I have a lot of them, and they're all great. Or you can choose all thongs along with the surprise variety, or all like briefs. So sometimes I get all of one kind, but usually it's like 2 thongs or 2 briefs and 1 thong. But let's see what we have. And they usually have a theme. It's really cute. Ooh, I just ripped through the tissue too. It looks really cute. So it was wrapped up in tissue, and I ripped through it. So it's always wrapped up really well. I was a little aggressive there, but no panties were harmed in the process. I just love looking at like all the fabrics together and stuff. Looks so cute. It makes me think like spring is coming. It's not that far away because it's already like February, but anyways, I love floral print no matter what the time of year, and this one's so pretty. This is like a nylon pair, I'm guessing, and the floral print I love, along with this like lavender purple, and it's a little bit lacy on the side. It's like cute, kind of sexy, but mostly cute and most importantly, comfy. Isn't this so cute? So this is by Splendies brand, and their panties are $12 each, so you pretty much only pay for like 1 and like some change when you subscribe. Yep, I was right. That's annoying to say that, but yeah, I was. So there's 2 briefs here and then 1 thong. So here is the thong. Oh, it's all floral and red and stuff for February, for Valentine's Day. That makes sense. I was like spring, but it's like, I always thought of when I lived in a colder place that you know, February was like the worst, and after that it was like, you know, the worst, because even though it was the shortest month, it seemed to be the coldest, but I think you just get kind of sick of it, and then like March is when there's like, you know, spring in there a little bit, so it's almost February. Look how pretty this is. So I like this kind, like when these are called like laser cut or something, I don't know, but or like no-show, some people call them, because when you wear tighter clothing, or just clothing that, you know, you can sometimes see the outline of your underwear, this kind is great to wear for that, just FYI, but very cute, stretchy. Love it. And the last pair is a little sexy. It's a little lacy, and it is sheer, and it is like this deeper red. I love it. And there is like a floral lace to it. I like this a lot. And this looks like it'll be a little bit higher up. Just kind of cover up the fupa. Why did I say fupa out loud? But yeah, here is the panty. I like all of them. I like this style. I want to like put this on and see how far up it comes. It's really cute though. I like that. You guys know what I mean. So, what one's your favorite? You know, I like to ask, are we panty twins this month? And yeah, what kind of style? What one do you like the best? If not, either way, let me know what you think. So this is a quick video, and if you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot of these shorter casual style videos because that's what works in my life, and I really like it. So I hope you guys do too. If you do like my style, if you do like hanging out with me every day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on our channel for unboxings, I hope you consider subscribing before you go if you haven't already. And if you want to subscribe to Splendies, or just check them out. And by the way, they do have a shop just to purchase panties, and sometimes if you see like one I have, like sometimes they have sales over there to get them for like $4 or something, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, or you can just get them for $12 like the original prices. But yeah, let me know, panty twins, are you out there? And let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you're all well. I hope you subscribe. I hope you are just living your life and loving it. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.